Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night for everyone who see this video. Let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Farriz Satriatama, and I am from nursing student in Faculty of Medicine, University of Lambung, Mangkurat. So, in this video, I want to presenting my analyze article. So let's start. My article, the title is U.S. military nursing serving within the chaos of disaster. Source of the article is Three Service Nursing Research Program, and date of article in 2016. The step number 2 is write the topic as a question. So my question to this topic is, what is the experience of military nurses during or following disaster response? The next is summarize the main idea in your own words. So my summarize is military nurse is a nurse who is also a military soldier. Military nurse not only serve in the war. In this research, the military nurse serve in the disaster handling. The experience of military nurses in disaster handling needs to be examined. This relates to their emotion during duty. The result that you want to achieve from this research are how to prepare for the next disaster. Next, in this article notes, there is a diagram to represent the article. So the diagram is military nurses is a nurse but also a military soldier. The study examined military nurses experience of disaster response, and then more importantly, the study provided lesson learned that have the potential to assist in preparing for the next disaster response. The next list in point from at least 5 facts in the article. So my choice, the facts in article is 1 fact. Military nurses in duty are rarely documented or known by the wider community. The second fact is many nurses in the study were the first to talk about their experience of disaster outside in military war. The third, there are 22 disasters that have been faced by military nurses since 1989 until the year 2008. Next, this research method is qualitative, where military nurses telling their stories of their experiences when faced with disaster. And the last, 23 military nurses are the sample in this study. The sixth step is write the question you have about the topic. So my question is, according to military nurses, according to military nurses, more important war or disaster when it happened at the same time. The second question is, do military nurses manage disaster victims during war condition? This is my question. So the last step in this article analysis is this article is important or not important? Because, so in my opinion is, this article is important because it can give us an idea of how a military nurse when running her duty as a soldier and also as a nurse. In addition, in this article, nurses also have a high sense of humanity and also have a different view when looking at the condition when the disaster occurs. This article is also very helpful in establishing cooperation between the military work and the work of nursing. So I think this is enough for my explanation or my presentation of the analysis article. So I hope my analysis article can help some people to next study for this topic. So that's it uh, from me, Muhammad Farriz Satriatama, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.